Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a cross-armed exercise. So we are highlighting cross-armed on a person. We have done other videos in which we have shown a person cross-armed and from different angles. We will be exploring those going into the future as well. It's always good to revisit some tips with the new angles. But right here we have a standard cross-arm pose that we're going to get going. So shoulders, and please use very light strokes because cross-arm poses, they, as exciting as they are, they can also get messy in the sense that we might have to make changes as we are going along. So hand and elbow, I'm going to bring that in a little bit because so inward, not here, because here if it's cross arm, the arms are crossing over and going closer into each other. So depending on the person's frame as well. So inward again, elbow right there. So elbows placed pretty much at par. So there, let's say there's the chest area right there, collar and the head need not be part of this exercise. So we can do a few things with this. So what we are going to do first is just lay out the core elements which need not change, and that is the chest and the delts and even the upper arms. We could actually work alright if we just go with the upper arm and even the forearm, let's say. And we'll stop right there with this arm because there's a few things that we can do with this. So one is the casual upper arm, cross arms pose in which the hand is placed somewhat like that. So arm coming inward again. Okay, so and this hand here, so squished in a little bit. So this one more L shaped, this one a little bit of squished L going up, and we will have that hand coming in, and let's say it's we'll use a different color because it will get a little confusing otherwise. So there's the oval that we can just put in right out and then come in with some specifically placed fingers. You could even show a bit of the thumb. So the knuckle set is right here, and that's the hand. And that is one way of going about it, and it's really exciting because we can change the placement of the fingers, make it really dynamic, stretch them out or make them go like that. It's up to us of how we want to approach this. But a very standard thing that we can also do is close the arms in a little bit more, like bring them in, and with that same placement. So this really doesn't change all that much except that it just goes in, the elbow is in a little bit. We come inward and have a fist here for this hand. So there's the fist, and this hand here actually goes above this hand, so we'll have to use a different, let's see if we can manage this with a different marker, and it goes in and that hand vanishes in there like that. So that is the tucked cross arm pose. We have explored it in other videos. It would be nice if you could check those out as well. They might be helpful. So just to flesh this out a little better, have to grab a different marker there. That one doesn't want to comply too well. And then we have the fist and the arm placed that way, and that arm going right in. And we have the tucked cross arm pose right there. So wider L, more squished L, that is the key. So please do try these out. Really exciting, really dynamic, and very essential to different character poses. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.